Meaning of funeral home.
Funeral home.
Funeral home.
Funeral home.
Funeral home. A funeral home is a business that provides services for the deceased and their families. These services can include embalming, casket sales, funeral planning, and hosting of funerals or memorial services. The funeral home also serves as a place to mourn and pay respects to the deceased in a respectful and comfortable atmosphere. Funeral homes play an important role in supporting grieving families during their time of loss. They provide a range of services and support to help families with every aspect of the funeral process, from planning to burial or cremation arrangements.